Classification of proteins. Classification based upon composition. So, based upon composition, proteins are classified into fibrous protein and globular proteins. Fibrous protein consists of linear molecules which are packed side by side to form fibers. The different polypeptide chains are held by intermolecular hydrogen bonding. They have long thread-like structure. These proteins are quite stable under moderate temperature as well as pH. That is, their structure do not change because of a strong force of attraction. These are insoluble in water. Fibrous protein constitute the structural material of animal tissue. Important fibrous proteins: keratin, present in skin, collagen in tendons, myosin in muscles. Keratin protein, it is a fibrous protein also present in hairs, nail, skin, wool, feathers. Fibrinogen present in milk. Globular proteins. In these proteins, the molecules of polypeptides are folded into compact unit forming spheroidal shape or globular shape. The peptide chain in them are stabilized by intermolecular hydrogen bond. These are soluble in aqueous solution of acid, base and salts. The function of globular protein is to maintain and regulate the life cycle. Example of globular proteins are enzymes. Enzymes such as insulin, insulin hormone secreted by pancreas, which maintain the blood sugar level. Hemoglobin, also example of globular protein present in blood. Function: transport oxygen from lungs to all tissue of the body and carbon dioxide from tissue to back lungs. Third is antibodies, protect body from outside infection. Antibodies are also globular protein. Classification according to hydrolysis product. So according to hydrolysis product, proteins are classified into simple protein, conjugated protein and derived protein. Simple proteins. These are proteins which when hydrolyzed form only alpha amino acids. Example: albumins, glutenins, globulins, glutenins. Conjugated proteins: in this case, a protein part is linked to non-protein part called prosthetic group. The prosthetic part is mostly concerned with the special biological functions. The conjugated proteins have different type depending upon the nature of prosthetic group. According to that, these are of three types: nucleoproteins, glycoprotein, chromoproteins. Nucleoprotein. If prosthetic group is nucleic acid, example is nuclein. If prosthetic group is carbohydrate, for example myosin. And if prosthetic group is some pigment having some metals such as iron, copper, manganese, etc., is the example of chromoprotein. For example, hemoglobin, chlorophyll. Derived proteins. These proteins are formed by the partial hydrolysis of simple conjugated proteins such as proteoses, पेप्टोन्स, पेप्टाइड्स एक्सेट्रा। तो ड्राइव प्रोटीन्स में तो नाम ही बता रहा है कि दीज आर ड्राइव्ड फ्रॉम आइदर सिंपल प्रोटीन्स और फ्रॉम कंजुगेटेड प्रोटीन्स।